Hempz Triple Moisture Whipped Body Wash is offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and patched up a list of the best Hempz from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Hempz. I had passed Shea Moisture in the drugstore countless times until it attracted my attention in a convincing manner one day, so I did buy it. I bought the raw Shea Moisture lotion and the African Black Soap body wash. In Los Angeles, it was the height of summer, and it was very warm. I get heat rashes in the summer, which is a very erotic thing to happen to me. I know, don't be very envious. When I have heat rashes, they are very terrible. My skin itches, I perspire, and I'm simply always miserable, wondering when the heat would end. Hollywood life is all about the glamour. I immediately began using this soap because it claimed to be helpful for problem skin. I tried it despite my concerns that it could be too harsh, and that they meant it was more suited to treating acne. I used the lotion as well. Both had amazing scents. However, the lotion was far too heavy for the summer and was put back in the makeup cabinet for cooler weather. My skin continued to clear up as I continued to use the body wash, and it also felt really hydrated. My skin would typically feel tight after using even a hydrating body cleanser. However, Shea Moisture gave it a perfectly balanced feeling. Because it cleansed up my skin in the summer and has kept it nourished all year, I genuinely believe that this body wash is magical. Winter. This body wash's reasonable price of roughly $10 per bottle, and availability in most drugstores and beauty retailers like Ulta are two of my favorite things about it. Due to the fact that I was taking 2 daily showers in the sweltering summer heat. California. I used up my first bottle in 2 months. However, the bottle is lasting longer now that I'm back to taking it once a day. The aromas are exquisite, warm, yet in no way artificial. The fragrances are really expensive. When I use them, I don't have a headache. They absorb into your skin and leave behind a soft aroma that is not overbearing. Ingredients. The ingredients are unadulterated and free of chemicals or garbage. Sincerity be told, I typically respond allergic to all natural products, which to me makes no sense. But this one treats me nicely. Sincerely, I think Sephora could make around $28, $30 on the body line. Ingredients are incredibly pure. Thank
you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.